Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hello children, we are going to start lesson number 8, the equatorial region. Children, what is equatorial region? The equatorial region lies in and around the equator, constituting the torrid zone of the earth. Equatorial regions are located in a band around the equator and they cover about 6% of the Earth's surface. It lies 10° north and south of the equator. The equator passes through the continents of South America, Africa, and Asia. The main areas in this region are the Amazon basin in South America, the Congo basin in West Africa, and the Indonesia and Malaysia in Asia. Children, let's talk about the climate in the equatorial region. The climate in the equatorial region is hot throughout the year as it receives the direct rays of the sun. The high temperature in the morning causes water to evaporate from the rivers, lakes, and swamps. The water vapor rises, cools down, forms clouds, and comes down as rain in the afternoon. Humidity is very high in this region, resulting in heavy rainfall. It rains throughout the year. Now children, along the equator, rainfall is fairly regular throughout the year. This part experiences direct rays of the sun. Hence, it has a very hot climate. Now, due to the heat, there is a great amount of evaporation in its water bodies. And this results in the formation of thick clouds. The region gets heavy rainfall almost every day in the evening, accompanied by thunder and lightning. This rainfall is also known as the 4 o'clock rainfall. Thunderstorms are often violent but seldom last more than a few hours. The climate in general in equatorial region is hot and wet. There is very little difference in the summer and winter temperatures, and the length of the days and nights are almost equal. Now talking about the vegetation, the hot and wet climate of the equatorial region, it results in very fast growth of variety of trees. The equatorial region is covered with dense forest. These forests are dense because of heavy rainfall. Hence, these forests are also called as rainforest. Rainfall and sunshine makes the rainforest a haven for millions of plants and animals. Now, children, what do you mean by the word haven? It means it is a shelter or a place of safety. Since the trees here always remain covered with leaves, a rainforest is also called evergreen forest. Some of the trees found in equatorial region are mahogany tree, ebony tree, cinchona tree, rubber tree, rosewood tree, and coconut tree. Now children, the trees, they grow to great heights in search of sunlight. The trees are so closely packed that their branches are tangled and form a green and broad roof. Now rainforests, they are divided into 4 layers. They are emergent, canopy, understory, and forest floor. Each layer receives a different amount of sunlight and rainfall. So different types of animals and plants are found in each layer. The emergent layer, this layer, it has extra tall trees which grow above the rest of the jungle. The canopy, the tall trees in the rainforest are densely packed and form a green blanket called canopy. The canopy blocks sunlight from reaching the forest floor. The understory, creepers, climbers, and shrubs grow in the understory layer. The forest floor, there is a thin layer of rotting leaves on the forest floor, which makes the soil fertile. So these are the four layers of growth in the forest: the emergent layer, the canopy, the understory, and the forest floor. Now, talking about the animal life, the forests are rich in wildlife. Most of the animals found in this region are tree dwellers. Now, what do you mean by the word tree dwellers? They are arboreal animals. Mammals, reptiles, birds, fish, insect, and amphibians coexist in the equatorial region. The mammals include monkeys and tree-living cats such as the jaguar and the margay. Jungle reptiles such as lizards and snakes are found here. Bright macaws, parrots, and toucans are found in the canopy. The Amazon River is a home to the ferocious piranhas. It is an omnivorous freshwater fish. Ants, butterflies, termites, and beetles have their homes in the dense forest floor. The tsetse fly, which causes sleeping sickness, is found in this region. Now let's talk about the people living here. The native forest dwellers in the rainforest are usually grouped in small tribes. The original inhabitants of the region were as follows: the Semang of Malaysia, the Pygmies of the Congo Basin. Now children, the Pygmies, they are the primitive people of this region, and they are dark and short, about 1 to 1.5 meters in height. They live in the interior of the dense forest. They do not speak a specific language, but they use only signs and actions. And they lead a nomadic life, hunting and gathering berries, nuts, fruits, honeys, and roots. They are excellent hunters and they use bows, arrows, and spears for hunting. They smear mild poison at the tip of the spear and they kill the animals for food. They rarely cook their food. They live in small huts made of branches of trees. They cover the huts with leaves to protect themselves from heavy rains. And the pygmies, they are fond of dance and music. The Yanomamo of the Amazon rainforests. Children, coming to the occupation, farming is an important occupation in the equatorial region. Crops such as cassava. What is cassava, children? It is an edible root, a root which can be eaten, and it is filled with starch. It is filled with carbohydrates. Corn, rice, sugarcane, and bananas are grown, and the staple food of these people is cassava. Plantations of rubber, coconut, coffee, and cocoa are also a source of livelihood to the inhabitants. As several parts of the equatorial region are rich in minerals such as tin, copper, uranium, petroleum, and diamonds, many inhabitants find work in mining projects. Fishing is also a major occupation of the people in the equatorial region. Now, children, since tsetse flies, they cause sleeping sickness, not only to the human beings but also to the animals. Hence, it is difficult to rear domestic animals here. Children, let's have a quick recap. The equatorial region, the main areas are Amazon Basin, Congo Basin, Indonesia, and Malaysia. Climate, how is the climate there? It is hot throughout the year, very high humidity, and heavy rainfall. Talking about the vegetation, evergreen forest, there are 4 layers: emergent, canopy and understory, and forest floor. Animals, mammals, reptiles, birds, fish, insects, and amphibians are found. And people, Simang of Malaysia, Pygmies of the Congo Basin, Yanomamo of the Amazon Basin. Now with this, we have finished this lesson and I'll give you a small assignment. Children, this is your assignment. It is very easy. You have 5 question answers. Name the areas in the equatorial region. What are the 4 layers of growth in the forest? What is haven? Which insect causes sleeping sickness? And name the inhabitants of the equatorial region. So children, with this we have finished with our lesson number 8. And I want you all to watch this video again and read your textbook thoroughly. Thank you.